Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Myself, Dr. Bharti Mahanti, and now we are going to another new episode that is proper sleep and its benefits. It is important to get enough sleep daily. Sleep keeps our body and mind healthy. Sleep makes you feel better, but its importance goes a way beyond just boosting your mood or banishing your under eye circles. Adequate sleep is a key part of healthy lifestyle and benefits your heart, mind, weight, and more. How much sleep do we need? Adults 7 to 8 hours, teens 8 to 10 hours, school age children 9 to 12 hours, preschool kids 10 and 13 hours including naps, toddlers 11 and 14 hours including naps, babies 12 and 16 hours including naps. And number one, sleep keeps your heart healthy. Heart attacks and strokes are more likely to occur during the early morning hours, which may be due to the way the sleep interacts with the blood vessels. Lack of sleep has been associated with the worsening of the blood pressure and cholesterol, which are the risk factors for the heart disease and stroke. Your heart will be healthier if you are getting 7 to 9 hours sleep each night. Number 2, sleep may help to prevent cancers. Do you know that people who work at the late night shift have a high risk of developing breast and colon cancers? Researchers believe light exposure reduces the melatonin level. Melatonin, a hormone which regulates the sleep-wake cycle and is to protect against the cancers as it appears to suppress the growth of tumors. Be sure that your bedroom is dark and avoid using electronics before going to bed in order to help your body to produce the melatonin it needs. Number 3, sleep reduces the stress. When your body is a sleep deficient, your body goes into a state of stress and all the body functions are put on high alert, which causes high blood pressure and the production of stress hormones. High blood pressure increases the risk of heart attacks and stroke, and the stress hormones make it harder to fall asleep. Learn relaxation techniques to counteract the effects of stress and fall asleep faster. Number 4, sleep reduces inflammation. Increases the stress hormone levels due to lack of sleep, raises the level of inflammation in your body, which causes the greater risk of heart related conditions as well as cancers and diabetes. Number 5, sleep makes you more alert. A good night's sleep makes you to feel more energized and alert the next day. Being energized and active not only makes you to feel great but also have the chances for another good night's sleep. When your wake up feeling is refreshed, use that energy to get out into the daylight, do active things, and be engaged with your world. You will sleep better the next night and increases your daily energy levels. Number 6, sleep improves your memory. Researchers do not fully understand why we sleep and dream, but they had found that the sleep has an important role in the process of memory and consolidation. During sleep, your body may be resting, but your brain is busy in processing your day, making connections between the events, sensory input, feelings, and memories. Deep sleep is very important time for your brain to make memories and links, and getting more quality sleep will help to remember and process things better. Number 7, sleep may helps you lose your weight. Yes, researchers found that the people who slept fewer hours tonight are more likely to have the chances of getting overweight or obese. It is due to the lack of sleep which impacts the balance of hormones in your body that affects your appetite. The hormones ghrelin and leptin, which regulates the appetite, are found to be disrupted due to lack of proper sleep. So if you want to maintain or lose weight, don't forget to have adequate sleep on a regular basis. Number 8, napping makes you smarter. Nighttime is not only the time to catch a sleep, napping during the day is an effective, refreshing alternative to caffeine that is good for your overall health and can make you more productive. People who naps at work shows much lower levels of stress. Napping also improves your memory, cognitive function and mood. Number 9, sleep may reduce risk of depression. Sleep has impacts many of chemicals in your body, including serotonin. People with serotonin deficiency are more likely to suffer from depression. You can help to prevent the depression by making sure that you are getting adequate sleep of 7 to 9 hours each night. Number 10, sleep helps the body to repair itself. Yes, generally sleep is a time to relax, but it is also a time during which our body does hard work. It repairs the damage caused to the stress ultraviolet rays, and other harmful exposure. Your body cells produce more protein molecules while you are in a sleep. These protein molecules form the building blocks of cells, which helps to repair the damage. Foods and drinks to have before the bed. Almonds, good source of melatonin and sleep enhancing mineral magnesium. Turkey, high amounts of protein and tryptophan induces sleep. Chamomile tea contains antioxidants and promotes sleep, increases sleep quality. Kiwi, rich serotonin and antioxidants, improves quality of sleep. Tart cherry juice contains melatonin, induces good night sleep. Fatty fish, salmon, tuna, trout, mackerel, sources of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, improves quality of sleep. Walnuts, great source of melatonin and healthy fats, promotes better sleep. Passion flower tea contains gamma aminobutyric acid which influences sleep. White rice, its high glycemic index promotes better sleep. Dairy products like milk, cottage cheese, plain yogurt, fruits like bananas, oatmeal. These are the foods which promote better sleep. Sleep enhancing foods and drinks. It may be best to consume 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. Eating immediately before going to sleep may cause some digestive issues such as acidic reflux. Bottom line, what I am going to say is getting enough sleep is not only about the total hours you sleep, but it is also important to get the good quality of sleep on a regular schedule so that you can feel refreshed once you are wake up. If you often have trouble in sleeping or still feeling tired after sleeping, consult your doctor. If you think the contents of the video are helpful, share to your near ones, subscribe for more videos. On every Monday, you can watch a new video on Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Thank you for watching.